You may be wondering how to invest in your plan, and there are so many choices. Which one is right for you? Have you considered risk-based portfolios? Let's take a look at what that means. When it comes to investing, you've probably been warned never to put all your eggs in one basket. That's good advice, but a risk-based portfolio is different. Your one basket is made up of different kinds of eggs, or funds, designed to meet a specific level of risk. These include corporate and government bonds, U.S. and international stocks, and cash-equivalent investments. With risk-based portfolios, you choose just one portfolio based on the risk level you're comfortable with, from conservative to aggressive. It's kind of like finding your favorite wave. The goal is to manage the risk over time with a diversified portfolio. Now let's take a look at your options. The plan offers 5 risk-based portfolios, from ultra-conservative to ultra-aggressive. The conservative portfolios are made up of more bonds, while the aggressive portfolios are made up of more stocks. The aggressive portfolios are considered riskier because stocks have greater volatility. That means their value is expected to fluctuate up and down more than bonds. Historically, over the long term, stocks tended to outperform bonds and cash and provided greater returns for the investor. However, past performance is no guarantee of future results. Now let's look at how you use them. The risk-based portfolios are made up of other funds. For example, let's take a look at what the moderate portfolio contains. As you see, the moderate portfolio contains 5 other funds. Sometimes people don't understand this, so they select various portfolios thinking they need more than one fund to be diversified. These funds are designed to be used as one basket for all your contributions. Are you conservative, moderate, or aggressive? You may cycle through all these risk levels at different points in your life. When you're younger and have more of your career in front of you, you may be more aggressive to maximize your growth opportunities. As you approach your golden years, you may change gears and be more moderate or conservative in your approach. Just keep in mind that you may be spending almost as much time in retirement as you did working, so a growth mindset is still important. Here are a few tips to consider when investing in risk-based portfolios. Be sure to select one portfolio that aligns best with your risk tolerance. Don't select more than one portfolio because one may be enough to be fully diversified. If you select more than one, you may be doubling up on the same type of funds. And finally, remember that help is always available. Would you like to learn more about your investment options? Great! Give us a call or visit our City Hall Service Center today.